afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and today we are going to make sausages. Now, Mark and I have not made sausages in many, many years, and at the price of them today, we thought we would try to make them again. We enjoy making them. We enjoy eating them. Shock of my life, I think we paid probably at least double what we did the last time we bought a whole shoulder. So yes, this is a bit of a process. It's long and involved, and Mark does most of the work, and then I help him make the sausages. And unfortunately, we can't cure them because we don't have a place to hang them, so they will all be frozen, but that's okay. And we're hoping that it still will be cost effective to make our own, but if it isn't, at least we know what's in these. So hope you enjoy this video and you learn something from how we make sausages. Okay, so this morning we decided to go out and get a pork shoulder. Yeah, the whole pork shoulder cost us $63.99 Canadian.
And it's been about 4 years, I think, since we made sausages.
Yeah.
And the last time, I'm pretty sure it was around $25 or $30 for the same cut of meat.
But that's apparently the way the food industry has gone these days. So anyway, we are going to make sausages today, and Mark's got his work cut out for him. This is mainly his job, and I'm here just to help him.
Yep, and I'm going to start by rinsing this off, just to make sure it's clean. Then it's going to go over to a cutting board and get broken down.
So the next phase, Mark has cut this pork shoulder into chunks, and the next phase is to grind it. So
yeah, I used to cut them into square cubes. Now they're cut more like this because they feed into the machine much easier, and it's less work for me, so I do it that way.
It's been 4 years since we made sausages. Maybe.
At least 4.
Okay. Anyway, let's get to it. We've got a long day ahead of us here.
Okay, so we've got 11 kilos, or around 24 pounds of minced pork. Now, if you take a look at it, some's dark, some's light, it has to be mixed up, and we also have to add salt. So, I'm going to dump this out on the table. Oh, jeez. And this pork could get messy.
Here, I'll take that.
Thank you.
Yeah. This time you're the one who with your hands in the meat instead of me for a
Yep.
change.
What do you mean? I always do this. I always do this.
No, I'm the one who makes
Ooh.
the meatballs.
Oh yeah, but I'm the one that always does this.
The
with
sausages? Yeah, that's your job.
Yeah, there's more meat here.
Okay. If you step back a minute, I will remove some of those appliances there and give you some more room.
Good idea. Well, now that we have it salted, we like to fry a little bit up, just to sample it and make sure we got it close to being right, and we can make an adjustment if it requires more salt.
Okay, and we're only adding the salt for now because Mark wants to make some sausage patties. So he didn't want to add some hot peppers in those, which he will be adding with the balance of
Yeah,
it.
it would give my biscuit gravy, my white sausage gravy, a really unusual flavor if we started putting hot peppers in it.
Okay.
But it might be good, who knows?
Okay, so this is traditionally done. You do a taste test after you've added some spices in. And you can put other spices. We're not terribly keen on putting fennel in our sausages, so it's going to be very lightly seasoned. Okay, and yes, traditionally you can use fennel. That is one way of seasoning it. There are a number of other ways of seasoning it, but we're just going very light here. So, Mark, that's a pretty large chunk for taste testing, but I guess you must be hungry.
I am hungry. I'm sure I can make that disappear.
Okay, well. Now I tie the knot. Okay. Might be able to get one more, but I think it would be pushing it. Can you hang on to that so it doesn't... Okay, let go. Yeah, there wouldn't have been enough for one more. I'm sure that I soaked too many of those, but that's okay too. That I prepared too many of them. Okay.